Inside a living cell, nothing sits still. Millions of proteins, acids, and microscopic molecules are packed tightly together, constantly colliding and reacting in a fluid environment. For decades, biologists tried to find a way to predict the three-dimensional shape of a protein from its linear amino acid sequence, a calculation so complex that verifying a single fold often required years of experimental lab work. AlphaFold 2 transformed that process by mapping 200 million protein structures, providing a near-complete catalog of the shapes of known proteins. But a catalog of shapes is like a dictionary of isolated words. Knowing a protein structure provides the vocabulary, but it does not reveal the syntax of how that protein actually functions with its neighbors. Cellular functions and the mechanisms of disease emerge when proteins physically bind to other biological elements. That binding process is the grammar of biology. To drive life, proteins must interact with a diverse set of molecules. They bond with genetic instructions like DNA and RNA, and they interact with small, drug-like molecules called ligands. Mapping these diverse molecular types within a single framework was a primary technical barrier for modern biology. Previous deep learning and physics-based models were highly specialized. A tool built for protein DNA binding would not work for protein ligand binding, and their predictions often lacked the accuracy needed for drug discovery. Without a single model capable of predicting how these diverse components link together, the instructions driving cellular behavior remained largely unreadable. Google DeepMind and Isomorphic Labs developed AlphaFold 3 to solve this. It is designed to predict the joint three-dimensional structures of entire biomolecular complexes. This structure prediction shows a protein complex bound tightly to a purple DNA double helix. The system maps nearly all molecular types found in the protein data bank simultaneously, generating the entire interactive complex at once. This diagram shows the system's architecture. To achieve this broad mapping, the model uses a new multi-scale diffusion module that replaces the rigid structure modules of its predecessor. This diffusion module starts its prediction process with a chaotic, random cloud of atoms. Over multiple steps, the system recurrently denoises that cloud. It filters out the randomness and locks the atoms into a precise biological formation. The training operates on multiple scales. At high noise levels, the network learns the global structure of the complex. At low noise levels, it refines its understanding of very local chemistry. By using a generative approach, the system learns to assemble complex biological structures entirely out of a cloud of initial uncertainty. This shows a drug-like ligand nestled within a protein alpha helix. On the PoseBusters benchmark, AlphaFold 3 was 50% more accurate than traditional docking tools. It achieves this without prior structural information, becoming the first AI system to surpass physics-based prediction tools. This rendering displays an antibody-antigen complex with interacting protein chains. For targets like this, accuracy has doubled, which is critical for modeling how the human immune system responds to threats. To make these capabilities widely available, Google DeepMind launched the AlphaFold server. Biologists worldwide can model these diverse structures for non-commercial research with just a few clicks. While the server restricts commercial applications, academic researchers can access the core inference code and request the model weights directly via GitHub. Combining high-accuracy outputs with an open web platform allows any researcher to map how these complex molecular interactions play out. Seeing exactly how molecules physically connect allows researchers to map out specific mechanisms of a disease or study how our DNA is regulated at the atomic level. This visualization highlights 4 drug-like ligands in different binding pockets across a single protein. Predictions like this help design targeted drugs. Isomorphic Labs is currently using these interaction models with pharmaceutical partners to pursue disease targets that were previously out of reach. However, these results carry scientific constraints. The system outputs highly probable structural predictions, not definitive experimental proof. Because it relies on a generative diffusion process, it carries the risk of AI hallucination, where the model may invent plausible-looking shapes in regions that are actually unstructured. To counter this, the developers used cross-distillation training. By feeding the model structures predicted by AlphaFold multimer, they taught the system to represent unstructured areas as extended loops rather than compact, invented shapes. AlphaFold 3 acts as a predictive guide for biological research. Ultimately, rigorous laboratory validation remains the final check on biological truth. The previous era of computational biology mapped out the isolated shapes of proteins, providing scientists with the solitary words of life. By predicting the joint interactions of all molecular types together, we have a high-definition window into how entire cellular systems connect. Predicting how all life's molecules interact reveals the structural connections that drive cellular function. Scientists can now see how the three-dimensional grammar of life is physically assembled.